flashing warning light on it. You feel that? Here we go. There it goes. That's how it sounds. Runs like a beautiful baby. Yeah, boy. As I said, the snorkel works. You can hear it. Then we keep the gun secured using a small bungee. Secure the gun barrel. Move it around here. Just open that up. Come around and show you how it opens up. Gotta clean it out, but look. You can fold it completely around and store it. Completely around and store it that way. But we like to drive with it up. Put it up. I haven't cleaned the engine, done nothing to the engine. It doesn't need to be. It's a zombie car, so all this is welded to the chassis. Custom brackets. It does have a horn. See all the welds? It's all completely welded in. Interior brackets for the LEDs. Everything's still welded in. And here it sounds perfect. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Put the fuses on it for the radio and the Alpine stereo system, which it does have. The Alpine. Now if I turn this off, and then if you notice when you turn the radio on, the blue light comes on. Can you hear the radio?
KZQ, Fossil People of Helena Beat. My name is Crash. Join KZQ tonight at Bumpstead's from 8 to 9. We'll be there with Bud Light, giving away a pair of tickets to our KZQ Big Night Out show with I Am Dynamite and Bush. And that show is brought to you by Bud Light. Great drink specials. And of course, your friends from KZQ will be there. So if you look...
The windows do work. This is welded onto the frame. I deliberately kept it nice and rusty looking. I deliberately did that, but you can see there is glass, but you can use the window. And then now you've got the outside. Stick your fingers through. You stick your fingers through there. Or if you have zombies coming up, you can raise the windows. Just like that. And both windows do work. These do work. You can take them off. I got stuff stored in them right now. Put them back on. Take one. Got their custom rims. All the tires are in great shape. Custom rims. All the tires are in perfect shape. Brand new tires all the way around. Brand new tires.